What if I told you that staying with VMware might not be your only or even your best option anymore? Broadcom's acquisition changed everything. Higher prices, forced bundles, subscription-only models, and CIOs everywhere are asking the same question. Is it time to move on? Let's break it down. You've got three real paths. First, move to the public cloud. That could mean refactoring applications for AWS or Azure, or using VMware Cloud on AWS for a smoother transition. It's convenient but not cheap, and you're still tied to VMware licensing. Second, switch to another virtualization platform, like Microsoft Hyper-V, Nutanix AHV, or open source KVM. These can offer serious cost advantages, but migration complexity and retraining costs are real. Third, go modern, containerization with Kubernetes. For new workloads, it's where the market is heading, but it's not a drop-in replacement for legacy VMware environments. Here's the key insight. You don't need to leave VMware tomorrow, but you do need a plan. Even exploring alternatives now gives you leverage when negotiating renewals or ELAs with Broadcom. Pro tip, don't announce you're exploring alternatives, show it. Run pilots, get pricing, gather data. Broadcom reacts fast when they see real risk of customer churn. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises benchmark cloud migration options, compare total cost of ownership, and use that intelligence to negotiate better VMware terms or make a confident exit when the time is right. If you're questioning your VMware roadmap, it's time to get facts, not fear. Book your VMware Alternatives Strategy Session today, and let's make Broadcom earn your business.